Hey everybody, take just a quick second and ask yourself this one question. When was the last time you hired somebody from a random social media post? Now think about the last time you searched for something near me inside of Google. That's the difference. Social media is just noise, whereas high-intent local SEO captures demand. In this video, we're going to dive into why social media is the wrong channel to grow your local business, and why investing in high-intent local SEO is the way to go. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's first talk about social media being used as a channel to grow your local business. Social media at its core is interruption marketing. You're trying to grab someone's attention while they scroll, watch videos, message friends, or even just kill time. They didn't open up Instagram to look for a roofer, and they didn't check on Facebook to hire an electrician. They're just browsing, not buying. That's why social media engagement rarely converts to revenue. Social media engagement may feel like momentum, but it doesn't build the stability that your local business desperately needs. Now let's compare that to someone who's searching for something on Google. For example, that person could be searching for emergency plumber near me, divorce lawyer in Phoenix, AC repair open now, roof replacement estimate. That person is not browsing. They are trying to solve a problem that they have. And that means that that person has a high intent of solving that problem. And when your business ranks at the top of searches like these, you're instantly considered to be the solution to their problem. That's the difference between noise and conversion. So let's quickly define what high intent local SEO even means. In a nutshell, high intent local SEO focuses on transactional searches. So we're not talking about searches like, how does AC repair work? Or why does my roof leak? But instead, it searches like AC repair in Mesa, roof repair company near me, or commercial electrician quote. These searches signal that the customer is wanting to actually do something or take action. And local businesses that dominate these keywords build something that social media can never give them, and that's control. When you rank in local SEO, your business shows up in organic results. You show up in map listings. You show up in AI search summaries. And you become the default option in your city. And I don't know about you, but that's some serious authority. Now, the main reason why business owners get caught up in social media is because it helps them to feel busy. But your efforts in social media don't actually build your business. Social media rewards activity and engagement. High-intent local SEO rewards structure. For example, on social media, you have to post constantly. You have to follow trends, you have to film content, you have to stay visible, and you have to compete with the other entertainment online. And the moment you stop posting on social media, visibility instantly drops. Now, to contrast that with high-intent local SEO, you're actually building assets. For example, optimized service pages, location pages, strong internal linking, a properly structured and optimized Google Business Profile, 5-star reviews. Those are assets that work for you whether you post or not. So that's why social media is effort driven, and the other system, which is high intent local SEO, is system driven. So as a local business owner, let me break this down as simply as possible. The real goal for a local business is consistent inbound leads, predictable visibility, and long-term market dominance. High-intent local SEO increases the outcome because you directly connect your services with customers who are ready to buy. And it increases certainty because rankings are based on structure, not virality. And it reduces ongoing effort because optimized pages don't disappear overnight. And focusing on local SEO eliminates the constant pressure to perform on a social media platform. And that's exactly why high-intent local SEO converts. Now, this doesn't mean that you need to run to Facebook or Instagram and delete your company's social accounts. It just means that you need to stop expecting those channels to carry the growth of your business. Instead, social media should be used to support authority, showcase proof, and retarget traffic who's already interested in your business. But focusing on search with high-intent local SEO is what drives demand. Because the demand already exists. The only question is if your business shows up for it or not. So let's imagine this just for a second. Someone searches for your service. They see your website ranking in the Google search results. They see your Google Business Profile. They see lots of good 5-star reviews. And they go to your service page, which answers the exact question that they have. To them, you're everywhere. Not because you posted today on social media, but because you built a high-intent local SEO system. And that's how local businesses dominate their markets quietly. No trends, no TikTok dances, no chasing social platform algorithms, just pure intent. And if you want to learn how to create a high-intent local SEO system following the exact framework that our experts use, then join our school community. Inside of our school community, you can unlock our local SEO course. This course will show you everything from start to finish to help your business to rank higher in the Google Map Pack and to rank higher for local high-intent searches. So click the link below to join our school community and unlock our local SEO course. And if you want to learn another aspect of local SEO that can help your company to rank higher online, then make sure that you watch this video. In this video, we go over one of the best tips that you can follow to be able to help your business to rank higher in local search results. So click this video and we'll see you over there.